coolest things about this tool is that it's not just limited to serious or formal visuals. You can also create funny, playful, and totally relatable infographic-style images. The best part is, we don't have to design anything by hand. All we have to do is describe the idea, list the steps, and the tool creates the entire infographic with icons, colors, and a clean layout. So in this session, I'll show you how to create these funny, lighthearted infographic graphics from scratch, and how a simple prompt can instantly turn into something creative and hilarious. Let's start with our first prompt. In this prompt, we're asking for a bright and easy to understand infographic that shows how to cook Maggi in just 2 minutes. We're keeping the instructions very clear by using a step-by-step layout, just like a recipe guide. The illustrations include Maggi noodles, the tastemaker masala, water, and optional veggies, so viewers can visually follow each stage. Boil the water, add in noodles, mix in the masalas, cook it, and serve it. The user-friendly colors, simple icons, and clean typography make the design fun, clear, and perfect for students to understand. So I've pasted this prompt here in the prompt box. Let's execute and see what Nano Banana Pro has to offer us. Wow, that's a wild infographic image, right? Anyone can just look at this infographic and get ready. Maggi in just 2 minutes, right? So let's move on to our next prompt. In this prompt, we're asking for a funny infographic that shows the struggle of waking up when you really don't want to. The steps are exaggerated and relatable, like snoozing the alarm, staring at the ceiling, scrolling the phone, panicking about being late, and finally jumping out of bed. The idea is to present a normal morning routine in a humorous way, using playful, cartoon-style icons and bright visuals. Overall, this prompt creates a fun, entertaining infographic that people can instantly relate to. So let's just check what the output of this prompt would be. Wow, look at that! Every emotion is understood correctly by Nano Banana. Always snoozing and then looking at the ceiling, dreaming, and then scrolling through the phone, and then getting panicked about being late to work or school or college, whatever it is, and then just jumping out of bed. So this is the ability or a capability of Nano Banana Pro when you write such prompts for it. So this is my next prompt. In this prompt, we're asking for a lighthearted, funny infographic that shows a husband and wife having a playful conversation, or a silly argument about life after marriage. The idea is to capture common, relatable, everyday moments like chores, habits, misunderstandings, or cute banter, and turn them into a humorous, step-by-step visual. The tone should be fun and expressive, and it should be in a cartoon style, so the infographic feels entertaining and instantly relatable to anyone who's experienced married life. Let's see what the output would be. So yeah, this is a funny infographic image that actually shows the difference between life before and after marriage. You can make changes to this image itself. So should I ask? Can you please make some specific and detailed changes? In the image where the husband is gently holding the remote or whatever else it may be, and the wife is there, firmly holding something specific in the kitchen area. Wow, that's nice. Can you see? The husband was holding the utensil. Now the wife is holding it. So I didn't even mention that it should be changed on the right side of the image. It understood the context on its own. That's what's great about this tool, right? So let's move on to our next prompt. So here in this prompt, I'm asking for a clean and minimal infographic that looks like a menu, showcasing 6 different dishes that can be made from bananas. Each dish should have a funny and creative title to make the menu more engaging and playful. The overall design should stay simple, easy to read, and not crowded with too many words or unnecessary elements. Just a neat visual menu highlighting the banana-based dishes in an attractive, minimal style. Let me execute this prompt. Wow, that's nice, right? So it has created 6 dishes out of banana, and it has mentioned what the name of each dish is. We can have changes made to the same image by giving simple prompts like the ones we looked at above, right? You can make changes as per your needs. Just go ahead, explore, and try it out.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.